All right, we're gonna begin our finish coat now. Again, starting with a deck. Basically, everything is the same as a fill coat. So I'm going to press my tape basically right on the edge here, underneath. Secure that in there. Good. Now we'll drip off the board. I'm going to move my tape further along for my masking so I can make a smooth transition across here, and there's less of a noticeable bump or lump. Now, of course, I forgot to wipe it down first, but hey, I'm gonna wipe it down again now. There we go, that's all ready. Let's grab our acetone. There we are. Clean, 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 clean. Oh yeah. The blue from the tape came off. All right, now we're gonna pull the loose bristles and dust off our brush. Oh, I guess I can show you that, right? I gotta remember I have a camera here. See? I'll stick that in there. Okay, now it's time to mix. Reusing our cup here. Minimize waste. So, go for 20 grams again. I guess something around that. 14. 21. All right, now I'll just mark it up here. Okay, 4.7 times 2 is 9.4. We're just gonna say 10, I would say, in this case. Right on. Hey Google, set a timer for 2 minutes. Cancel timer. And get rid of that one. Make sure we're right under. Yes, okay. Now, same routine. I kind of feel I gotta come back. Just gonna pour this on here. Whoa. Okay, we're gonna go side, up, to the other side, pour again. And paint it down. Perfect. That's it. Oh, I'm running out of space here. Shoot. Well, I did use this one as well for him, so I guess I can fill that up with garbage. Pour out our excess. All right. There we have it. the finish coat. Now I'll wait a few hours, then I'll flip the board later this evening and do the bottom.